Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Hapka. In this video, I'll show you how to clean your hearing devices. Clean them every day and you'll avoid some serious repair issues. Zoom in on me and I'll show you how to clean them. Okay, let's see how to keep your devices clean and working. First of all, you should have a lens cloth. We give this to you in your bag. If you don't have one, come in and get one from us. Simply pull the bag off of the lens cloth. Focus on this part of the hearing device. This is the part that goes in the ear. That means it's the part with the most oil and wax on it. Just place that in the cloth and with a couple of fingers, work it back and forth to remove all the oils, skin cells, and wax. After about 5 seconds, it's all cleaned off. Let's see that again. Put the part that goes in your ear in the cloth and work it back and forth for about 5 seconds. It's simple as that. For a more thorough cleaning, bring them into our offices so that we can clean them for you while you have a nice cup of coffee. So that's how you clean your devices. Thanks for watching our video, and congratulations on your journey to better hearing.